Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and today's video. It's an unboxing and it's a special edition unboxing and it was from Latest in Beauty. Now I know they've just done their Style Beauty Awards edits and then lo and behold they go and drop another special edition on us. This was a collaboration with Hello magazine and it is the A-list edit. Here we go. Now this box was £30 including delivery, and for the first time ever they've included a foundation in this box. It's a Perricone MD one and you actually got to choose the shade of foundation that you would like to test out. I chose the shade Nude, so we're going to get into it, open it up. I believe there's 11 products in this box. So there we go, we've got the black Latest in Beauty box as usual. So like I say, 11 products for £30 including free delivery. Now I already know, I think potentially there's going to be a couple of products. I think when I looked at it, there was about 3 or 4 products that I was like, not sure I'm going to use that. But, you know, I still found for the products that were left that I was interested in, I still thought it was a good value box. So here we go. We have our leaflet that tells us everything that's in here. So I shall refer to that as we go along. So here we go. And I'm just going to show you what's inside quickly. Let's start pulling out and off we go. So the first product in the box that I'm pulling out is an Anastasia Beverly Hills product. This is the Dip Brow Gel. Now, the only shade that this came in was a medium brown, which I don't know. We're going to check it out because personally I'm like, well, if you're that fair that you've gone for the porcelain shade of the foundation, you know, is a medium brown brow gel going to really be suitable? But anyway, we shall see. Here's the inner packaging. There we go. Now you see, if you can see on the bottom there, I think that is the colour of the product. But we're going to have a look. Got a nice wand on it. There we go, and let's pop a little on, see if I can figure it out. Yeah, it does seem quite dark. There we go, it does seem quite dark, but I'm going to be interested to try that and see how it goes, because I know a couple of people who have, I've seen reviews on this, and some of them are like, yeah, really like it. Some are like, not so sure. So I think this was just a miniature. It doesn't have any RRPs for me in this booklet, but you know, at the end of the day, Anastasia Beverly Hills is not a cheap make, is it? So I think that's worth about £13, believe it or not. So that's item number 1. Item number 2. This is a Glam Glow product. This is the first Glam Glow product I've ever received, and it's a Thirsty Mud hydrating treatment, and it is a mask, basically, a creamy ultra hydrating mask treatment that instantly quenches and soothes extremely dry, parched or dehydrated skin. Now, I don't have dry, parched or dehydrated skin, or it might be slightly dehydrated, but it's certainly not dry. I have a very oily skin. So this is a little sample product. This is 15 grams. Now the other thing that this was one of the products I was like, because a couple of people have reviewed Glam Glow products recently. They don't necessarily suffer with a sensitive skin, and they've had reactions to it. As somebody with a hypersensitive skin, that immediately rings alarm bells in my head. So because I don't suffer with this type of skin, and because, like I say, this product potentially I could end up having a reaction to, this is going to be gifted. I'm not sure to who or how or whatever, but this little sample size I will be gifting away. So the next product is the hair mask or hair conditioner. Now, we got one of these in April's glossy box, and in this box we could have had one of two. We could have had the charcoal cleansing mask or this rose oil and peach one. Now, I was desperately hoping for the charcoal one, because if you've seen my glossy box unboxing for April, you know that I'm not going to use this. So again, this was a product that I was already aware, potentially, if I got this one, I wasn't going to use it, I was going to gift it away. And that's exactly what's going to happen. Again, if I'd got the charcoal one, it'd have been different, I'd have kept hold of it. But the RRP of these is, I believe it's £2.50. So there we go. So that's another product that's going to be gifted, but it doesn't matter, it's not a problem. And the next product in the box, right, this is by the Make Lancaster, and it's a tan maximizer. Okay, so this is an after sun soothing moisturizer. And it's supposed to extend the release of the natural melanin and keep your tan intact for up to a month and reduce the risk of peeling. Well, to be honest, as long as you heavily moisturise after you've been in the sun, you're going to reduce the risk of peeling anyway, because the peeling is literally just the fact that the skin, the top layer of your skin's dried out and it comes away. So yeah, so, and again, Lancaster, not a cheap make. This is a 50ml tube as well, so yeah, really pleased with that. Next product out of the box is another sort of, what am I going to call it? A sample size, like a deluxe mini sample size. And this is by Ren Skincare. Again, not a cheap make, Ren, apparently. This is the first product I've had from them. And it's an overnight glow dark spot sleeping cream. It's been clinically proven to reduce the appearance of dark spots from just 7 days, targets uneven pigmentation on all skin types without affecting your natural skin tone. So a different sort of product. It's cruelty free and vegan. Yeah, so again, that'll be an interesting product to try. There we go, so that one I am going to keep and try. There we go. Right, next one is, now then, this is another product I'm going to be gifting because I've already gifted this. So, this is the Bibi Strawberry Booster, and this is a facial oil. And we got this in one of the subscription boxes, I believe it might have been Glossy Box, in January maybe. Now, again, I have oily skin. I'm not a big fan of facial oils because of my oily skin. So I gifted this to my auntie, who does have a drier skin than I do, and she absolutely adored it, absolutely loved it. So yeah, so I might just be gifting that to my auntie. There we go, so that's another one. And weirdly, you know, you'd think, we've just had that facial oil, so you would think that they wouldn't put another facial oil in this box. However, we have the Dr. Botanicals. Again, this is a repeat product. We got this recently in another subscription. This is the Dr. Botanicals Moroccan Rose Facial Oil. Now, I've already got one in a giveaway box. This is still sealed, just to show you, there's the seal on the side there. Again, facial oil, it's not a product I'm going to use, but this will be gifted away as well. There we go. And the next one is by the Make Balance Me. By the way, the two facial oils, they're both full size. I believe the Dr. Botanicals is, yeah, they're both 15ml. They're both 15ml, those ones. Here we go. This is the Balance Me Flash Cleanse Micellar Water. This is a 30ml, okay, sample size. And again, I just thought this was a great size for going away with. I've got a couple of products from the Balance Me range that I'm trialling at the moment. Quite like the range, so when I saw this was in here, yeah, it smells really nice. It smells very similar to the eye cream that I'm using. Yeah, so that's all right. I will be keeping that and using that. And the next one, now this is another one that I shall be giving away. This is the Bumble and Bumble Pret Powder Tray Invisible Dry Shampoo. Now, we've had dry shampoos recently in another box. I think it was Birchbox we got a dry shampoo in. Again, it's not a product that I will use. I just don't need these sort of products in my hair. So this is a 25ml, and again, that will be being gifted away. Okay. And the next one, yet another oil, this one. This is by the Make Trilogy. Here we go. And as you can see, it is the CoQ10 Booster Oil. It's for the skin, boosts skin recovery and radiance while smoothing the appearance of fine lines. This is a 10ml, I do believe. No, it's a 5ml little bottle. So little sample bottle there. Again, not a product I'm going to use, so that will be gifted away as well. God blimey, there's more products in there that I'm ending up gifting away than what I thought there would be. Never mind. And the last one, probably the main reason I was going to do this box, is the Perricone MD, and this is the No Makeup Foundation. It's a sheer coverage luminous foundation to create a dewy glow. It's got an inbuilt SPF of 20. This is the shade Nude, which is the second lightest. I am going to open it up and give it a try. This is a 30ml bottle, which I believe is full size, and I like that. It's come, there's your bottle, and your pump is separate, so that's really cool. I like that. Now, looking at this, this is supposed to be nude. Looks awfully dark to me. Here we go. There we go. That's the colour of it. I'm just going to pop a teeny weeny little bit. There we go, on my finger. Let's see, and let's pop it in and see what we think. Right. I do not call that nude. I call that a medium tan. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see, but can you see where I've rubbed it all around there? Wow, that is dark. It smells a bit weird as well. But you know what? I've got concealers that I can mix with it to lighten it up if I need to. I will give it a go and see, but that is very, very dark. Very dark for a nude anyway. I'm kind of wishing I'd have got the porcelain now, but never mind. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter at all. So there we go. That's all my products in this Hello A-List edit. What do we think about them? Okay, well, certainly the Lancome Tan Maximizer, the Ren Overnight Cream, the Balance Me Micellar Water, and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Gel. Very, very excited to try those. I'm looking forward to trying this foundation, but I do think the shade is going to be a bit dark for me. But we can see, we can hopefully lighten up with powders and things like that. The Glam Glow, obviously I already knew that that was potentially going to be a product I was going to gift away, and that's certainly what I'm going to do. I knew I would be gifting the dry shampoo because it's just not something I use. The hair conditioner, I'm really gutted that this is in this one rather than the charcoal one, because that would have been a product that I would have saved and used had that happened. So there. The one big area, the one downside for me to this box is these 3 items. You've got 3 facial oils. Do we really need 3 facial oils? No. You know, one of these would have been sufficient in my opinion. And then potentially you could have had another couple of products in there, maybe, I don't know, a blusher or a powder or something, or a lipstick, or, you know what I mean? Just something a bit different, even a tool, you know, some eyelash curlers or, I don't know, whatever mind. So out of the 11 products in the box, I am actually gifting 6 of them away, which is half the box. Do I still think it's been a good value box for me? Potentially, because I mean, apparently this foundation's worth £45 on its own. So potentially, yeah. Am I a little disappointed in it? Yes. I would have loved the hair conditioner to have been in one that I would have used, but never mind. Let me know what you think and feel about this box down in the comments section below. Have you got this box? If so, did you get the porcelain shade in the foundation? How is it? Is it a lot lighter? Is it not? Let me know, guys. Let me know. If you are new to my channel, the warmest of welcomes. I don't just do unboxings like this. I do haul videos. I do makeup videos. I'm also starting to do a live stream on a Friday evening, 8 p.m. London time. If you like to join in with that, you are more than welcome. If you're not already, please consider subscribing either by the red button down below or the circular icon with my face in it, which should be appearing here. I think that's everything for today. Enjoy the rest of your day, everybody. Thank you for watching as always. Keep safe, keep well, keep inside as much as possible, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.